DAC Worldwide's Basic Coupling and Shaft Alignment Training System Plus is a heavy-duty, precision learning package that allows for convenient, realistic training in shaft alignment. When paired with a variety of hands-on exercises, the training system creates a complete, performance-based course in the maintenance of shaft alignment. The Basic Coupling and Shaft Alignment Training System Plus has a design based on the configuration found in many vertical centrifugal pumps and accommodates all types of alignment apparatus, including laser systems. Through its realistic features and versatility, this lightweight yet rigid training system will make any training session more productive, convenient, and professional. Learners will use industrial-grade components to study topics such as performing a 4-point motor element jacking, mastering usage of a dial indicator in coupling and shaft alignment, troubleshooting angular and parallel misalignment, and installing a flexible disc coupling. Not only do the components provide durability to stand up to frequent use, but they also aid learners in becoming better prepared for the task they will encounter on the job. Contact your DAC representative today to find out more.